guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my 10th Lego puzzle box. And if you don't know how to solve it, you could go check out my channel and I did a review about it. So let's go and get started. So yeah, first take a 2x6 plates, and then take a 2x4 plate, and then put a 1x6 smooth piece here. So like that. I'll take a 2x4 plate, put it here, and then take a 2x2 plate, put it here. So that's your base. So you leave a hole like that, a 2x2 hole there, and then you wanna take this 2x4 bricks and then put it here. Then take a 1x6 bricks, put it here. Now take a 1x4 bricks, put it here. Then take a 2x3 bricks, put it here. Like that. And then take a 1x2 bricks, put it here. Another 1x2 bricks, put it here. Then take a 2x2 bricks, put it here. A 2x2 bricks, put it here. And a 2x4 bricks, put it here. Now you want to take this bricks. You need it later. It is a 1x6 plate. So yeah, need that later. And then this piece. So a 2x2 bricks and then a 1x2 plate under it. Yeah. So now take this a 2x6 bricks, and then take this piece 1x6 plate I showed you, put it under it like this. Now take a 1x4 bricks, a 2x4 bricks, put it here. Now take this piece that have a 1x2 plate under it, put it here, there. Now put this piece here, there. Then take a 2x4 bricks, put it here. Now just put smooth piece around it. A 2x2 smooth piece around it. Here. Here. And oops. And here. Okay, now you're almost done. Now I want to build this key, so take a 1x6 bricks and a 1x2 smooth piece and another 1x2 smooth piece here, and take two of this 1x3 smooth piece, put it here and one of them here, like that. So that's our key. And now this piece. Then so take a 2x2 bricks there, and then take a 1x2 plate, put it here, and then take a 1x2 smooth piece, put it here, and then take a 1x2 bricks, put it here. Now this piece here. So take a 2x2 plate, then take a 1x2 smooth piece, put it here, and then a 1x2 bricks, put it there. Now you want to take a 1x2 plate there, then take a 2x2 smooth piece, put it there. Now put it here on top here, and then take this piece, put it here. And then take your prize, like this one, put it on top. Make sure it is not on the bottom. There. Now take this piece, put it in here. kind of hard. Yeah, like that. Now take this key, put it in there. So it's a little bit tricky to put it in. See, I'm getting frustrated when it's very hard to put it in. So you need to try. There you go. So I already put the key in. Yeah. So that is how you make my 10th Lego puzzle box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye bye.